We're turning just isolated bones of this animal called Teleocrater, which is one of the closest relatives of dinosaurs. The goal is to essentially scan the skeleton and turn it into an interactive exhibit where you can explore more of where the animal was from, how it was mounted as a skeleton, how it lived, and what it can tell us about evolution and Earth history. This animal is going to be recreated using the latest technology and a team of artists, engineers, and scientists with representatives from Tanzania also. So this is the first step towards a dinosaur and a bird after dinosaurs and birds split off from crocodiles. So this is like the great, 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 on and on grandparent of dinosaurs and birds. So scientifically, it's really important because it shows that step to becoming a dinosaur. We're recording the process from essentially getting these fossils from the field to the lab. So we're cleaning them, making sure they're ready to be surface scanned. They get surface scanned, and then we manipulate them to make a skeleton. And then with that, we can 3D print it and turn it into physical exhibits, but we'll also have that digital skeleton that people can interact with anywhere in the world. We're really hoping that we can come up with a protocol for digitizing these specimens and adding all the educational material to this fully immersive experience about any extinct animal. So even skeletons, hopefully, that are mounted in other museums, you could partially scan them, but use the same kind of technology to bring them to life and add educational material. And hopefully it's modular too, so you can keep adding more and more educational material as you find out more and more about these extinct animals.